Back out here in downtown Memphis, this time at the Memphis Housing Authority. They're doing a remodel of their central office. Let's head inside and take a look. This is actually a two-story building, so they're gonna have offices on the first and the second floor, but each floor is gonna have its own IDF or multiple IDFs. Here at the IDF I'm gonna start with today, you see they have a second rack there. That's gonna be where we're placing all the new cables. I already got some cable unloaded from the truck. And here we have the map. There's 3 IDFs on this floor. This is the one we're at right now and the one I'm gonna start with today. So let me go ahead and get the cable set up and we'll start pulling. All 6 cables are going in this office, 4 on this back wall, and 2 right behind where I have the camera set up. Let's get to it. Starting with the third set of cable pulls, I got 8 cables that I'm taping up and labeling, and then I'll start pulling. Made pretty good progress today. All the ones highlighted in green are ones that I got roughed in, which ended up being a total of 34 cable runs. Now it's time to put a pause on running the cable. It's time to clean up and get ready to go.